A lot of times the Native Americans and walking through the path in their life would stray from the path of the right way, and they would go down the wrong road, and they would have to be guided back. The shamans and the conjurers had different techniques in which to guide them. One of them was originally a story that told about two dogs that was inside every person that would constantly fight and circle each other, one good and one evil, and whichever one won was the one that you fed the most, meaning that if you done more evil than good, then the evil dog inside you wins. Sometimes the story wasn't enough. Sometimes action had to be taken to further explain that. The conjurer and the shamans would come forward, and originally what they would do with them to put them back on the right path was a method used with stones with different colors and symbols on them. Since most people don't know what those colors and symbols mean, we modernized this with playing cards. So there's 11 here, so we'd tell somebody to pick a number between 1 and 11. And there's 11 thoughts written on these cards, 11 emotions that is going through them, and whichever one that they had picked, that will be the thought that we would expect them to act upon. Because the true nature of the person will instinctively find the card that matches them. So say in this example, the person would say they wanted number 6. So we'd tell them to deal the cards down, and whatever the 6th card is, that's the thought that they would act on. And they would take the cards and they would do like we asked, and they would go down to the 6th card, and we tell them that's the card that they chose. Let's see what the ones that they could have picked. This one says beat them, burn them, destroy them, murder them, stab them. Actually, every card, this one says kill in big letters. Kill them, die, shoot them, hurt them. All of these have different thoughts on them, all of them negative. But the one that they had picked, the number that they had chose, the one that they instinctively went to, says act with decency and compassion. Deep down, inside all of us, we're basically good people. We need a little help now and then to push us towards that. Sometimes we forget, sometimes we stray off. And that's whenever the conjurer of the village would come in and remind them of that. Everybody needs help every now and then, and needs to be reminded that deep down inside we all need to act with decency and compassion. Take a moment, reflect, and hopefully they'll come back on the right path.